Wala tayong masabi. Ano ba para?
Hey, what's up? What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up guys? And now we're going camping. Saan tayo pupunta ng campground, Daddy?
Sa ano? Cypress Hill.
Cypress Hill. Caleb, say hi vlog.
I love you.
Morning, guys. Hi, vlog. Why?
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Caleb, look, what's that? Caleb. Walang family or ano?
Saan ba umihi? Anak ko dito.
Kahit saan, para lahat naman yan may ano. Dito anak ko. Eh mga washroom. Lahat meron pa. Doon sa likod, meron pa sa likod. Ay. Is it clean? Mamaya maglilinis sila.
Ate Sarah went pianak.
Okay, kids.
7 minus 3
Okay, kids. Where are we going?
swimming.
We're going swimming.
Go
We're
swimming.
going swimming. Okay. You just sit still, okay?
Tito, I like your truck.
You like my truck?
Yeah.
Tita's truck.
I like my truck too.
Are you?
Oh.
Because it's brand new.
Is it brand new?
It smells brand new.
Why buy this one? Who buy it?
Tito Jackie.
This is a big job. Why
We're going to the lake.
Whoa.
Going swimming.
We went to the lake last time. I saw that. Oh my god. Guys, I forgot my swimsuit in the car, but that's okay. Oh!
Whoa.
That's the faster like. Is it faster like Sonic? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Look.
no.
Like this.
Tito, you have to follow the speed limit, Tito.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can you stop? You have to go.
Okay, one more time. Okay.
Wow.
Dad,
That's fun.
mga bata.
That's fun. Go follow. Oh my god.
Wow.
I like CJ. And do one more.
One more.
My daddy.
Ay, tama na. At may pulis ano.
Wow, the sky. Ganda naman.
Follow mom and dad.
Yeah, we're gonna follow Mommy and Dad.
mommy's car.
Right here.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Where's...
Turn right.
we're gonna turn right?
Turn right.
Okay, let's go turn right. Should we go left?
No. That's really bad.
Okay.
Yeah. No, mommy, dad.
Oh, it's just there.
Okay. Yes, Mom. What? That's my house. Location?
Is that your house?
Pauwi na?
No.
Yeah, that's the...
That's my house.
Ah,
We're here.
di pa eh.
We're here, Tito.
Yes, we're here. We're just gonna walk.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here.
Ah, sige na, galingan mo ha. Kulang pa ba? Magkano?
Stop.
Baka ano may mag-park eh.
Stop.
Baka may mag-park.
Stop.
Kaya sabi niya,
Oo, tabi ka na lang doon, Daddy.
baka kasi magasgasan ka.
Magkano sa lang pa ito, no?
Oo, kuya.
Habang nabubuhat kami nila.
Okay.
Tita. Caleb. Tita.
Come on. Come on, glasses. Okay, come on. Let's go down here. Let's go down here.
I'm falling.
You're not falling. Okay, I'm gonna buhat you. Okay. And then we're gonna get the... You wanna bring this, Caleb? Caleb, you want to bring this? Yeah, give it to Ate Zara and Ate Zoe. Where's Caleb's shades? I want Caleb's shades.
Gusto niyo pa nga oh.